Hi, I'm Jenny. Today I'll be unpacking my Stickii Club cute pack. I got the retro pack this month as well, so see my other video to see my unpacking of that. There we go. Empty. So as always, it comes in the sleeve. So this month is Writing to Atlantis. It also comes with the ring to keep it all together. And some sticker flakes. Dolphin underwater sticker flakes. Oh, I don't know if you can see them. It's hard to hold sticker flakes up to the video camera. Okay. So there's some starfish, clams, jellyfish, shells, dolphins. Okay. So here's a adhesive patch. It's a message in a bottle. Really cute. And the paper clip this month is a mermaid. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, there we go. Okay. Let's get on to the stickers. So the first item is actually not a sticker, but a bookmark. Whale bookmark. This is cool. I'll use this. Next item is a sticker sheet with a mermaid doing everyday things like yoga and all the other stuff. Next is a sticker sheet of fish, colorful fish. Oh, here's a cute version of the colorful fish. The other one was more realistic. And here's some cute sea creatures. Whales mostly. And then that looks like Mudkip from Pokemon, but it's not. I can't remember the name of it right now. Okay. Next are some shells. Just random underwater things. Nautical, fish, jellyfish, compass. The last one is a sheet of bubble. I don't know if you can see the thickness of it. And it's just, I'm not sure, since there's some bottles here. So I guess it's unboxing the sea jewels. I'm not sure. Okay, so that's it for this month of cute pack. Thank you for watching. Bye.